An encoder takes 2 raised to the power n input lines. An encoder takes 2 raised to the power n input line produce the code for that symbol. Fine. So let's take the same example, because recoding is the reverse process of encoding and vice versa. So we take again the same, but now 4 to 2 encoder. So the truth table will be something like this. Okay, the truth table of the truth table of this is, we have 4 inputs. So these are the inputs and 2 output lines. So if we take about input, we have in the input A, B, C, D. So it's like A, B, C, D, and output, we have 2 outputs, O0 and O1. This is O0 and O1. So input line will be something like this. When we are providing 1 as a as a input, so the corresponding value, when we are providing A as input, so A will be high and other are low. Similarly, when B is an input, then other are low. Similarly, when C is an input, and similarly when D is an input. Now 100 will correspond to what symbol? So again we are using the same A, B, C, D, and the corresponding codes will be 00, 01, 10 and 11. Fine. So the output line, what? Output line will be 00, and for B it's 01, for C it's 10, and for D it's 11. Fine. So now we have the output, we have the input, we have to design the circuit. Circuit design is very simple. And how it is simple? So there is one interesting thing, that we can produce a we design a circuit where the function value is 1. Fine. So at this point both function output is 0. So we don't circuit, then you will get to know that what I am saying, why I am saying this. Suppose you input lines, O1. Okay, for let's see, for O0 what should function. For you see that O0 is 1 at this input. Fine. That is B, or O0 is 1 when D. that means O0 is B. And if you talk about O1 is 1 for C and D, so it will be CD. That means for O1, O2 we'll be using an OR gate. So this is your OR gate and this is OR gate. Fine. Now O0 is what? B plus E. So O0 is what? B and D, and O1 is what? C plus D. So C and D. So this is the C line and this is the D line. This is C and this is D. This is your D line. This is your B line. So this is the circuit for encoder. Now you can see that there is no connection required from B line because there is no output produced when A is 1. But that doesn't mean this circuit will work wrong. This circuit will work very fine.